Hi, this is your fearless leader here, and I'm here to give you the updates for the month of September of 2023. Now, we've got a lot of things going on, so I have notes that I'm going to have to read from. So I apologize for that, but it's a lot. So let's just jump right in. So this month, I am very happy to announce we're doing another collaboration with Suzanne from Nonstop Papercrafts and Nathalie from LineDotArrow. Now, they've done a kit that they've created together. It's a collaboration, and it is called The Final Days of Summer. Now, the kit has all the floral elements that we love seeing during the summertime. They also added travel elements, since summer is the season where most people go on their holidays and travel. They wanted to hold on to summer just a little bit longer and created this beautiful large 64-page kit. Yes, 64 pages. It's 32 pages per kit, and each kit has one version in sepia and the other version in color. So you're going to have those, and each part is, or the kit is divided in half, obviously, 32 and 32. And so you can get half of the kit at Suzanne's Etsy shop, which is Nonstop Papercrafts. Then you can get the other half in Nathalie's store, and that is LineDotArrow at Etsy. And all these links are going to be below because there's going to be quite a few. So each kit has, 32 pages. Yes, I just said that. We're also going to have freebies, which I'm very excited about, and I'll tell you why in just one second. The freebies can be used for the challenges that we're doing for 3 weeks in September. So every week there's going to be a challenge. You don't have to do it, but they're really fun, and you should do it. Now, the way you find out about the challenges and the way you get the flip-throughs of the kits, because I'm not going to be doing a flip through for my projects this month, is to go to Suzanne's YouTube channel and to Nathalie's YouTube channel. Okay, so make sure that you go there now and check out the flip throughs of the kit and the explanation of the first challenge, I believe. And if not, there's a second video for the explanation of the first challenge, so you're going to want to watch both if they're separate. So each week, Suzanne and Nathalie will show you the new freebies and tell you about the new challenge in a video. So make sure to watch those videos, like I just said, and that way you know exactly what to do for each challenge. And so besides the weekly challenge freebies, this is what I'm so excited about. Nathalie and Suzanne have also created kit freebie papers for the Haystacks Crafty Corner, which is our other collaboration partner, and they're a Facebook group. And of course, you want to check them out at Facebook, Haystacks Crafty Corner. Now, and also the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, which is us. And we're going to get some freebies that are exclusive to our Facebook group as well. So that's exciting. So you're going to have the freebies at Haystacks Crafty Corner each week. You're going to have that are exclusive to that Facebook group. So you need to go over there and get those. Then you're going to have the freebies that are going to be offered only through us at Sweet Pea Papers. Then you're going to have freebies offered only from Suzanne. And then you're going to have freebies also offered only by Nathalie, and these are for the challenges. Okay, got all that. We're gonna have all this posted. I'm going to create an event each week for the challenge, and I will repost this information for each week, and that way you can go back and double check it. You don't have to go back to the expired event. All right, so these two groups, Sweet Pea Papers and Haystack Crafty Corner, are joining in. That's us. And we will have freebies in our group each week. And to win the drawings, there'll be a drawing at the end of the month. One from us, one from Haystacks, one from Nathalie, and I believe one from Suzanne. I'm not sure. I think it's just from the Facebook groups, actually. So it's LineDotArrow Facebook group, and Haystacks Crafty Corner, which we're going to call HCC, and we're going to call Sweet Pea Papers SPP. It's just so much easier. So there's going to be a drawing at our group. There's going to be a drawing at their groups. And so that's 3 chances to win. And to win the drawings, you need to post your projects. Now, these are the ones that you do with the kit. If you purchase the kit, which you don't have to, you can do the projects with just the freebies. But every post that you make in each group, and I'll explain that in just 1 second, is worth an entry. You have to excuse my voice. I'm having some kind of allergy thing going on this morning. So what you need to do is post a picture, a video, or a flip through of your project. And that's whether it's part of the challenge or just one that you do, which I hope that you will do one on your own using the kit or the freebies. And you're going to have a lot of freebies. And then you post the pictures in one of the 3 Facebook groups. But I recommend that you post your pictures in all 3, because every time you do that, then you get an entry into the drawing. So you can potentially get 3 entries for just 1 post, but you have to post it in all 3, and you have to use the hashtag final days of summer. The word "the" is taken off. So it's hashtag final days of summer, and the hashtag will be, of course, available for you to refer to probably all over the place. Okay, and I want to make sure that you watch this video. So I'm just going to post a little bit of the information, but you're watching it now. So obviously you've taken my advice and come and watch this video. So now the other thing is, if you have a post that has 5 videos, or 5 videos or 5 pictures, it still only counts as 1 entry. So what I would suggest to you is, if you have 5 images, photos, pics, whatever you want to call them, then post each one in a separate post. And that way you would get, for example, 5 entries in all 3 groups. And that would give you a total of 15 entries, supposedly, using the 5 example, into the drawings. And you would get 5 entries into the HCC drawing, 5 entries into the LineDotArrow drawing, and 5 chances in the SPP drawing. And these drawings, or this drawing, is going to be held at the end of the month, or actually the beginning of October. We like to give you a chance to get everything done and submitted. So now, that's right. Along with the challenges, we also had the design team members and the guest design team members making projects. I'm on the design team, so I'm going to be making a project. And in fact, I'm going to try to use the sepia in one project and the color in another. I know for sure when I do the challenges, I'm going to use the color, but I'm definitely using the sepia for the main project. So we'll see. If I can get 2 in. It depends on how many videos it takes to get the first one done. So you want to make sure to watch all the design team videos, and those are the guests and the regular design team people, and their links are going to be below each and every video that I publish, that Nathalie publishes, and that Suzanne publishes, and that the people over there at HCC publish. Okay, so you've got lots of places to get those links, and I'm also going to post them in the event, okay, for each week. Now, let me go to my next page so I don't lose my train of thought. So the challenges. So you're going to want to see Nathalie and Suzanne's videos for the details on how to make each week's challenge project. So there's going to be at least 1 video a week from Suzanne and from Nathalie explaining the project or the challenge to you, and also how you can get the freebies, so you don't have to buy anything to do the challenges unless you want to purchase the kits, which they're great. It's 64 pages. And if you get all the freebies, then that's going to be, I believe, 6 freebies a week from Nathalie and Suzanne, and then three freebies a week, maybe two, one in sepia, and one in color from SPP and HCC. Okay, so it's a lot of pages. I figured it out, and I believe it's 80 pages or close to 80 pages for you to work with. So that will be some definite fun to play with. Okay, so now the details on the challenge projects and the length of the challenge projects are as follows. So I just gave you the details as far as how to get the details. So now the first week of the challenge, the first one starts on 9/3, which is September 3rd, and runs through the 9th. The second week is going to start on the 10th and run through the 16th. The third challenge is going to start the 17th and end on the 23rd. And then the fourth week starts 9/24 and ends 9/30. And there is no challenge that week. It's just a catch-up week so that you can finish up on your projects for all three challenges, plus your regular projects, and get them posted in the groups, because there's a lot of places to post. And if you have a lot of pictures, that's a lot of posting. And so we want to make sure that you get a chance to do that. Now, we have the drawing in the first week of October. Usually it's around the 5th. That gives us a chance to tally up all the entries that have been entered by the 30th. Usually there's a lot. Last time I had, I think 150 just in the Sweet Pea Papers group. Okay, so that's it for that. We're also, gosh, I was going to tell you something else, and now I've forgotten what it was. So anyway, everything's going to be posted for you. We're going to have the 4 event weeks or challenge weeks. I don't know why I keep calling them, because they're going to be posted as events. Okay, so you're going to be able to go over to the event and then and read this again for reference. As you can see, I'm going to fix it, the typing errors. And I'm also going to keep doing this on my stool. I apologize. I just can't stop doing it. I've got both feet on the ground, and then I keep picking them up and swinging back and forth. I think it's a nervous tick. I'm not sure. Maybe I have a nervous tick this time. So everything's going to be posted. Everything about the challenges, everything about the drawings, everything about all the design team and guest design team members, all the links to Nathalie and Suzanne's videos, and links to my videos, which there's going to be quite a few. So make sure to keep up with those, and all the information that you're going to need to participate for the whole month. Okay. All right. Well, I will see you in next month's update, but I will also post any updates as they come up. And then be sure, like I said, to go over to Nathalie and Suzanne's channels and watch their updates and get your freebies every week, and check out Haystacks Crafty Corner for their freebies. Post over there. It's a great group, fun people, sisters run it. And it's going to be great. We're going to have a great event this month, and I can't wait for you guys to participate. Okay? All right. Well, good luck in the drawing, and I will see you at least in October, if nothing else, and have a great month. Okay? All right. Bye-bye.